like a way to fix your makeup, don't worry, I've got you. Grab your makeup process and let's go. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about makeup. Oh, I'm starting with this peptide calm. Actually, before I started this video, my face is already well primed, so I'm just putting this on, and I'm going in with this foundation. I really love it. It's from TikTok shop. It's more of a skin tint than a full foundation, to be honest. And now I'm going in with this full impact concealer. If you watch my videos, you know I use this concealer. It was actually sent to me by this brand, and ever since then I've been obsessed. I've not stopped using it. It's so nice, and I can let it sit on my face for so long and get tacky. Now guys, pay attention to the placements, because those are the places that really need to be concealed. Okay, you have to put it on your temple, and also you can use your concealer to cover off your face, so this will give you the facelift that you truly want. This will give an illusion of a high cheekbone. So the trick is to start from the top of your hair to the corner of your lips. Okay, that is how you can get everything to look really pink. And this is me blending, guys. You can see just how easy this concealer is to blend, and even though I left it on my face to be so tacky, it was still easy for me to blend. That is why I absolutely love it. And see how well it sits on my skin. Like it just look absolutely incredible. And now I'm going in with this contour stick. I also got it off TikTok shop. I'm just trying it for the first time, to be honest. I don't know if I'm gonna love it or not, but at the end of the day, it really gave me the result that I wanted, and I think it's okay, but I think it doesn't really have a lot of like pigment. And now I'm going in with my Fine Cosmetics concealer. So if you guys watch my space, you know I love this concealer. This is my favorite bright eye under eye concealer. But guys, I always say every time I use this concealer, this is not beginner friendly, okay? So if you're a beginner to makeup, I want to advise you to buy this concealer, because this dries off as soon as you apply them. So it's kind of like a race against time. So this is me blending it out. I have to blend it out so fast. But this concealer is so beautiful. Like if you put it on your face, it's absolutely gorgeous. Brings out your makeup, but you have to be very fast in blending. I'm also going in with this red cheek. Oh my god, when I first applied this, I was like, Jesus Christ, I'm about to turn into a clown. But I blended out and it looks really nice. Now going in with my Fit Me powder, and also my Sasha setting powder, buttercup, and just powder the face, carve it out. I did my eyebrows off camera. If you want to learn how to do your eyebrows, I have a couple of videos up on how to do your eyebrows. And if you also want to learn how to do your eyeshadow, I have videos up for that, where I can teach you the detailed look. And this is me applying my famous wing eyeliner. Like, I've gotten lots of compliments on TikTok for the way I do my wing eyeliner. It's actually quite easy, and I will tell you to try it out. Okay, it's very easy to get, and you can also take your time. I still take my time. I've been doing makeup since 2016, but I still take my time when I do my wing liner. That is how easy it is to get. All you have to do is just take your time. And now I'm using this Extreme Lashes mascara to like coil off my lash. Absolutely gorgeous. Using this lip liner, also from TikTok shop, guys. All the products I used in this video, you can get it off my page on TikTok, and you can buy it for yourself. I'm in love with this lipstick. Like, it's so nice. I just put it in the middle, just a sprinkle of pink, and also this lip oil is so perfect. Now I'm locking my makeup in with my Made by Michelle Lock spray. This will have your makeup looking really hydrated and so nice. And here's the finished look, guys. Oh my god, this is so stunning. This is so beautiful. I'm obsessed. Guys, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you.